Hello, I'm Tamayo in Japanese restaurant in Madrid. So, I will tell you today about how to use chopsticks. You know, in Japan, many children they have to learn and they have to train a lot of time so that they can use chopsticks well. But it's easy. You see, with 3 fingers, put like this, and if you can move freely, put the other one, and not here, but you know, the 4th finger not here but here, and move like this. Okay, but don't hesitate to ask. In many Japanese restaurants, they have like support system that you can eat well, like this. You know, so you can manage easily chopsticks like this. So I hope that so that you can't use well chopsticks and you're stay hungry and go outside of Japanese restaurant and go straight a fast food restaurant. I hope it will be not happen. And you know, in Kyoto and Tokyo and the other prefecture, they have some place that they can put your name here on chopsticks, maybe several times, several hours. It doesn't take a lot of time. I saw in Kyoto a big market street. There were at least two stores, and I think it's really good souvenir for your family or friends. And it's light and you know, and it's their own chopsticks. So next time I will tell you more thing about Japan. Well, see you soon. Bye bye.